severe thunderstorm warning for Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, east central Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, until 1:45 a.m. At 1:05 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Franklin to Eagle Lake to Bonners Lake and moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near downtown Racine, Baton Airport, Wind Point and Kenosha Airport around 1:20 a.m., Pleasant Prairie and downtown Kenosha around 1:25 a.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Salem, Bristol, Elmwood Park and North Bay. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the